guys, and welcome to another unboxing. This video is about unboxing a condenser microphone kit. I got this kit from a Swedish store near me called Shell & Company. The mic brand is called Nikabe. Nikabe. Doesn't really matter. The kit has a microphone, a boom arm, everything you need to do a streaming setup. It's perfect for podcasting, shooting videos, doing streaming online. On the front of the box, you have a picture of the microphone set up with the pop filter, so you can hear the pip, pop, poop. It's the M2 with the boom and shock mount. So if you shake the table, nothing will happen. On the back of the box, you'll see the name M2 Microphone Kit with a brief description of the microphone and the kit. The polar response. This is how the mic responds to voices and where you have to be in reference to the microphone. You have all the specifications on the back as well. Getting into the box, you get a foam padding. Lifting that piece up, you have the mount, you have the boom arm, you have the cables, microphone, shock mount, and pop filter. Nicely fitted inside. It's a really nice kit, and you can find it online for around about 40 to 60 bucks. I'll leave links in the description for you if you want to pick this mic kit up. It's not going to be exactly this kit. It's not going to be from Nikabe. They have kind of different names and stuff. This brand is Nikabe, but it's a Chinese. The feeling is kind of cheap, so take it for what it is. As I'm speaking into the mic, you can hear the response is really nice. It's a really nice response. You can hear everything I say. I can even speak very quietly and can still pick it up. You have to have headphones on to pick this up, but some of you gaming guys do. So this kit is perfect if you're doing games and streaming and you want to pick up your voice, but this is a really nice kit as well if you just play games with your friends and if you do like Discord with your friends while playing games. This is the perfect mic because you pick up your voice so much better than the cheap mics you get with headsets. So if I were you guys, I'd ask for this mic for Christmas from Santa, even though there's 2 days to go. This was everything for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to see more videos. This is the end of 2018, and I'm kicking off the new year with a baby in the family. Any day now, my pregnant wife is gonna have a baby, so there's gonna be a lot of chaos. There's gonna be a lot of chaos in this house, and I want to kick it off with doing videos again. And this was the latest thing. Leave a like and subscribe if you want to see anything about that nice screen back there, or that computer, which was a Hackintosh but isn't anymore, and I can do a video about that as well. Thank you guys and have a nice day. Nice Lenovo